progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Launched one of our latest system, which is the Series 1. So this particular system is a mapping and a surveillance system, which we are trying to project the Make in India initiative, which is the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, where we want to project and incorporate the system in that initiative. So a little unique features about the system. These are called scalable systems, where for multiple applications you can use the same platform. That's where we kind of stand out. Today if you have some other kind of payloads, you can directly incorporate that in this particular system, but we would like to dedicate this particular system for the surveillance and the mapping domain. Coming to the usability of the system, it's completely autonomous. You don't need a pilot to fly. You just have to give the waypoints and the whole system flies on its own. And the architecture of control is quite different from other drones, where we try to incorporate AI and ML, which is artificial intelligence and also machine learning, that enhances the flight performance and also enhances the data collection from the surveillance and mapping perspective. So from the surveillance, we do have target acquisition, tracking, and so forth. The system flies completely on battery and can operate about 40 minutes of endurance, which is again the best at the industry. And right now it has a 3-axis gimbal with the 10x zoom camera, which helps in any kind of surveillance mission. It's basically a bird giving you eye from the top. So that's the kind of usability. Coming to the other applications of drones, we are trying to venture in the agriculture domain, where as India is one of the agriculture land, we want to increase the yield and the growth of the crops at end, India is benefited. So we are trying to project the crop management system, crop health management, or also spraying and dusting of crops with our indigenous drones. We are going to house, because our head office is at Bangalore, we are going to facilitate our manufacturing and testing facility at Bangalore. Because why Bangalore? Bangalore is the aviation hub, and we want to project the drone industry in Bangalore as well, which kind of enhances the capability in the country. Also, it also gives us the blessing, because Bangalore has the most amount of green zone, which helps us to do kind of testing for drones and also enhances that. Definitely for a longer range, we are planning to reach to that market as well, which acquires the aerial photography platform. Right now, as we know, like DJI is one of the leading brands in the world, where we also tried to have that kind of caliber. Definitely it depends on the production rate. If we go into mass production, we can definitely offer the kind of platform to the common man who can actually fly such system. But just to keep you giving you a small idea on that, we are working on a 250 gram payload system, which is a nano system. You don't need a license to fly, so any layman or any common man can use that for aerial photography and so forth.